morning, friends, and this is another day in the life vlog, which I'm going to try to also make it into a Trader Joe's video haul also. And yeah, just have a few things to get done today. Dee's with me, ready to take on today's errands. But I do have a few little things that I have to do, and then tonight I don't personally care, but John is excited to watch the Alabama-Ohio State game. He's an Alabama fan, I am an Auburn fan, but yeah, I'm excited to watch. We're going to try some new little recipes, and I think we're gonna try our air fryer out, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, there's a few things to look forward to today first, and we're gonna get started with those. Ready? And I am here at the Summit, one of my favorite places, and I dropped Z off at my parents' house because they have such a big backyard and they have another little dog that she can play with. So she's almost like in a puppy daycare right now while I run a few errands. But I don't really like to come super often just with everything going on, but I am going to try to get a pedicure today. I haven't been in a while, but my toe was like hanging on by a thread because I bumped it when I was moving my exercise bike, which I've shown in here a few times. But it's super light and easy to move, but I just bumped into it and it has done something to my toenail. So I'm going to see if they can fix it. And it's super early. It's like 9:30, so it's right when they open. So hopefully there'll be a ton of people in there, and we'll see if we can get it fixed. Excited. I have my pink toes that match my little flippy flops, but that was a whole process. That was a whole process. It took a while, but it's done. They were able to fix it, and I'm so glad that I went early because there was nobody in there. It felt super safe, which they always do a good job anyway. My toe is fixed, and now I'm going to go to Trader Joe's to get out of this weather so I can go home. So yeah, let's go to Trader Joe's. And a super quick, I think that's the quickest Trader Joe's run I've ever made. It was kind of crowded, so I didn't really want to stand there too long, but I got some fun things for us to try tonight that I think we're gonna try in our air fryer, so I'm excited to try those out. I'll show you what I got when I get home. But for now, I'm gonna go to this lunch at Shake Shack and then pick up Z and then go home and see what we got at Trader Joe's, since I have so much stuff in my back that I'm redoing my closet and everything, but that's for another video for another day. And I love Shake Shack. I loved it when it was in New York, and my friends and I would go there and specifically have to eat at Shake Shack because it's so good. Now we have one here. My husband really likes it. I love it. And they're always super clean. And they even have now, they have where you have curbside pickup, so I don't even have to leave my car. Just let you know when, text them to let them know when you're here, and they bring it out to your car, which is really great. And I'll show you what we got when it comes out here, but I'm pretty excited because I hadn't had it in a while, so excited to have some Shake Shack. So finally back home, as you can hear the microwave going off, but I got these new French fries from there, and they're these Korean, I don't know, this is like the sauce, I think it's got mayonnaise, that they have specially now. So it looks really good. You see our hamburger, I've done chicken sandwich and hot dog back there, but I am so happy to be home. It's like really a lot going on this morning, but we're gonna kind of finish up some work, and then I'm gonna do my little Trader Joe's haul and show you what I got, even though it's small, but I want to show you what I got anyway. Okay, so I have a French fry, and I'm gonna try this little Korean sauce. And as I spilled a French fry into her food bowl, that's really good. So if this is, I mean, I'm guessing they're doing it everywhere, but definitely something that I would get again. And it's yummy. Okay, and I'm out of the shower. I don't know if anyone else does this, but when, especially now with like COVID and everything, after I get back home from the store, I immediately want to go and take a rinse off and do a little like cleansing to get all the germs off, because it was kind of crowded at Trader Joe's today. It was not bad at the nail salon, as I showed you inside, not bad at all. Trader Joe's was a little bit different because it was like probably a little bit after 11 by the time I got in there, but I did pick up a few quick things. I was in there probably for maybe 10 minutes. Like, it was my fastest one yet, but they didn't have a ton of new things. So I am gonna show you some of the things that I did get for our special little viewing tonight of the Alabama-Ohio State game. So first up, buffalo chicken dip is of course always a standard, and this is a fun way to kind of make it quicker and kind of cheat the process a little bit, like you saw in one of my other videos where I ordered the pancake from Cracker Barrel. Well, they have this really good buffalo style chicken dip, as you can see here. And I've actually used it before. You can just sprinkle some of like some cheese on it, just, you know, like whatever, some shredded cheese, put it in the oven, put it in the microwave, and you have automatically made some buffalo chicken dip. And it's actually really, really good. I've had this several times before. It's really good. So I got this for us tonight. I'm not sure if I have tortilla chips, so we might just have to use regular chips. That was one thing that I slipped on my mind. But we do have this buffalo style chicken dip. Next up is, if you're feeling in the mood, we might have some spinach and artichoke dip. And this is also, of course, if we don't have it tonight, then we can save it for the Super Bowl or something like that. And yeah, so this is already like kind of pre-done. So you just have to, I guess, put it in the oven. Yeah, or the, no, microwave actually, so even easier. So definitely something fun to think about. And we are gonna try to use our air fryer tonight. We've never used it. We got it for our wedding, and I have no idea how to work it. I don't think John does either, but we're gonna try it. And I have a selection of things. We're gonna pick out what we want, but I did get some chicken wings. They have some hot and spicy chicken wings. Usually their stuff isn't super hot, so I'm hoping that's the same because I can't handle super spicy. John's okay with it, but I am definitely not. So we are going to try these chicken wings. Then I also got some mac and cheese bites, which look yummy as always. I'm really excited about these. These I think might be new, or maybe I just haven't seen them before, but these are buffalo style chicken poppers. So it's kind of like a little pita with buffalo chicken wrap in there, which of course can go with our buffalo chicken dip. It might be a little too much, but maybe we'll save these, or maybe we'll try them. I don't know. We might just try an assortment of things tonight. And of course, what's a party without some mozzarella sticks and some cheese sticks? And I also got, I don't know if we'll have this tonight or if we'll have it some other time, but we did get a pepperoni pizza. Their pizzas are usually really good, and they're really thin crust, so it's not super heavy. None of this stuff I think is, yeah, I got like a little like snack board going on here. And to have some healthy things, of course I got my bananas, which you've seen me make my fruit bowls a million times. And then I got some watermelon because I'm ready for summer and I just want to feel festive. And that's something that Zeke can eat with me because she's always wanting food and snacks. My granola, which I get all the time. Pineapple. I don't know why, I've become obsessed with pineapple lately. It's so good. And then my favorite, they don't have these all the time, but when they do, you have to go out and get them. These are the cotton candy grapes. I love these so much. They're so good. Let's actually have some as a little snack after my Shake Shack. Something a little bit healthier to, you know, have as a dessert. But it is really, they're really good. They're sweet. They actually really do taste like cotton candy. We tried one for the first time on one of my vlogs a couple months ago, and it definitely does taste like cotton candy. So whenever you see these in the store, make sure you pick these up. But yeah, I just got a really quick one. Like I said, there wasn't a ton of new things, and there were like quite a lot of people in there, so it's really fast. But we're gonna try our air fryer out tonight, hopefully. And yeah, this is our little snack that we'll be making tonight. We'll pick which ones we want out, and then show you what they are like in the air fryer, and then just kind of what they look like, and a little taste test. So that'll be coming up soon. Another day, another walk. Z has on her sweater. She is ready to go. I have on my beanie. It's very cold today. And my winter jacket. Z's ready. I'm ready. It's cold, but we need to do our walk. And then we'll start going back home and getting ready for the game. And John will finish up work and we'll visit with him. And yeah. And back in the car, it was a very tiring walk because someone was super crazy today and very full of energy, like always, but especially today. I know it's because of the weather, because it's been so blah. As you can see, it's typical January weather, and she's been kind of cooped up a little bit, but she was on her A game today. Now she's probably a little bit tired. See? Now she's mad because we left the park. So anyways, we're getting ready to go back home. I'm gonna see John be finishing up with work downstairs in a little bit, and then we're going to try out our things on the air fryer and get ready for the game. And John, you're upstairs. The time has come to use the air fryer that we got, and I'm not sure how to use it, but John seems to be going in for it.
I'm gonna try it.
And John, what are we about to watch?
The national championship game.
Yeah, with who?
Alabama, Roll Tide, and Ohio State.
And I don't care about either, so I'm just here for the snacks. So we have the chicken wings that we put in, the buffalo wings, and there they are. We're gonna attempt to cook them like they do on TikTok.
I don't watch TikTok, so I don't know what's going on.
John, how excited are you for the game?
Very excited.
Ready to claim a 30th national championship?
It's 18, and I'm actually thinking Ohio State might win, actually.
No, they're not. They're probably,
we'll see.
You're just saying that, but we'll see what happens. How's the air fryer?
I don't know, food's still cooking, we'll see.
We're excited. Ohio State and an air fryer.
We...
So I went back and added more cheese, and I'm fixing to give it to John to see what he thinks about it, but I tasted it and I think it looks pretty good and tastes pretty good. And this is a really easy way to make some buffalo chicken dip, and think of how much time you save by not having to carve up a bunch of chicken and do all that. It's super easy. Okay, John, how would you rate the dip so far? It's pretty good, right?
12 out of 10.
12 out of 10. Okay, now we're gonna see what the air fryer. And the chicken wings are done.
Ta-da!
Like, honestly, I'm kind of mesmerized by this. They look really good. Now, we do these little mac and cheese bites. And we have the mozzarella sticks that have exploded, but that's okay. And John's getting ready to flip the little macaroni and cheese bites. So far, it's going well.
So far, we'll see how it tastes.
We'll give an update after the game. I'm picking Alabama to win. John picked Alabama to win. But maybe Ohio State.
I picked Ohio State to win, but I just found they have a ton of players out, so we'll go Alabama barely.
But maybe Ohio State will win.
Probably.
And this is the type of air fryer we have, in case anyone was curious. And we really liked it. Right, the air fryer, A+. John went and got me a water. And Z is like, please. And I would rate so far, okay, the chicken wings, the buffalo wings were really good. The macaroni and cheese bites were really, really good. The buffalo little wraps were good. The mozzarella sticks were a no-go.
Not very good.
Not good. Well, how'd you rate everything?
Well, I'm picking the bones on the wings. That's obviously good. Macaroni and cheese balls are, they're all right. These little puff pastries, buffalo things, they're pretty good.
I think that might be my favorite.
I think the wings are probably my favorite, but they're both really good.
They're good. So, Trader Joe's does it again. Only one bad thing, which, I mean, maybe we just didn't cook them all the way through. That could have possibly been it as well. But we're excited about the game. John's excited. I'm just here to watch him get excited. And Z's chewing on a bone. So, we'll check in at halftime and see what the score is. That was the first, was that a punt? A kickoff. That was the kickoff.
First kickoff.
And let me remind you, I worked in sports for like 7 years.
Yeah.
I'm a little rusty. Johnny, last minute predictions. And that's actually the first time I've ever seen John fist bump for anything in the game.
She says I fist bump and freak out and scream and hoop and holler. I never say a word during the game.
It's true, you are pretty quiet. I think I do more than you do.
Yes, and you don't even care.
And it's halftime, and I predicted Alabama's winning by, what's the score?
35-17.
35-17. So John has been over here yelling. JK, he hasn't.
Yay.
He's just been sitting here. But, yep, we're going to see what the final, I think that they're going to win. Z's tired, she's ready to go to bed. John's kind of sleepy too. We're old.
I am old.
But we're going to see what the final outcome of the game is. The night is almost over. I told you Alabama was going to win.
Yay!
She's ready for bed.
She's a sleepy pup.
We're all tired, but the game was fun. The food was good. How was the company, baby?
Company was the best.
So thank you so much for this day in the life. I know it started off fun at the nail salon. How did my toes look, John?
Good.
Not as bad as they were looking before I left. But it was a fun day, and I'm glad I got to spend and watch John happy and being sweet and cute as always. And thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.